We want to create a vibrant economy here, which sends out the message to everybody who lives here that anything is possible.
So the Business Growth Hub was established in 2011. The whole ethos is to make sure that we are supporting Greater Manchester as an economic region, and we do that through supporting the businesses, whether it be accessing finance, innovating, being a better employer. All of these things were part of our premise of what we wanted to create, and over the last 12 years that's what we set out to do.
There's so many departments within the Business Growth Hub, and actually, and I have to say, they have been incredible at understanding who we are and what support we can get most benefit from.
We see the hub as that sort of integrator of all of these different Manchester businesses, putting them all together so we know where we can access support from other members of the hub and other people that you've helped.
The hub now are on my speed dial. It's only since we have started working with the hub that we have realised as to how invaluable they are, what level of support that they provide. And I guess the key thing that I would say is we've been around for over 75 years, but we've seen significant growth in the last couple of years since we've started to work with the hub.
The Business Growth Hub is incredibly important to SMEs generally because of the services that they can offer. The wider support within the Manchester business community, I think, is invaluable.
I think the other pieces around knowledge, training and that sort of stuff, really from a knowledge and skills improvement point of view, we've just started to access that, but the results have been fantastic already.
What I would say about the hub is that it's rare that we have worked with an organisation where the friendliness, the helpfulness and the will to support has been as evident as it has with the hub.
We're all very proud of what we do, and I think when I look at the team, and they're absolutely amazing, and I think I am most proud of the fact that they work with absolute purpose and put 100% into everything that they do, with the whole ethos of supporting businesses to be better than what they are and move forward into the future.